Hey, gorgeous people! It's your girl RJ, and today I've got a super exciting hair tutorial for you. We're talking chic updos, perfect for any occasion. Whether you've got a fancy event or just want to add some glam to your everyday look, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's get those hair goals. So first things first, I always start with a little texture. You want some volume and body for this look, so I'm going to give my hair a quick wave using a curling iron. You don't have to go super tight. Just add some soft waves to give your hair that lived-in feel. This is going to help create the perfect foundation for a chic, messy updo. Remember, the key here is effortless chic. No need for perfectly smooth, sleek hair. We want a little volume and texture, so don't stress about it being perfect. All right, once you've got your waves in place, let's move on to the actual updo. I'm starting by gathering my hair into a low ponytail at the nape of my neck. Now, you want to make sure it's not too tight. This look is all about that relaxed, soft vibe. Secure the ponytail with a hair elastic, and here's the fun part. You're going to split the hair above the elastic and create a small hole in the middle. Now, take the ponytail and twist it into a bun shape, wrapping it around itself. Tuck the ends under and pin everything in place with bobby pins. Don't worry about it being neat. This is where you can add some personality and flair. The messier, the better. A little tousle gives it that gorgeous, lived-in look. And if you want a little extra volume, gently pull on the sides of the bun to loosen it up. This will give you that perfect, voluminous updo that looks so chic without feeling too formal. To finish off the look, I'm adding a little shine spray for that extra gloss and a few strands of hair around the face to frame it out. You can even pull out a couple of pieces for that effortlessly romantic vibe. Finally, don't forget to set everything in place with a flexible hold hairspray. Nothing too heavy, just something to keep it all in place while still allowing that movement. And there you have it, a chic, effortless updo that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're heading to a wedding, a night out, or just want to elevate your everyday look, this is the hairstyle for you. So what do you think? Drop a comment and let me know how you like to wear your updos. And of course, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more fab hair tips coming your way. Until next time, keep slaying those hairstyles, beauties.